Wow. First time being on this side of the camera. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is going to be a good one. So for the past 3 to 4 months, this one house has been standing out to me, and several times I've asked Fran, can we go and look at it? Hey, what about this one?
No.
Babe, did you see the house I sent you?
Yes and no.
And then once, he turned around and said,
Babe, you know that house you keep sending me? Well, there's one up the road, so do you want to go and see both of them? Behave!
we're going. And here we are back in beautiful Italy, driving from Pescara Airport down to Roccaspinalveti, and for some reason Fran's missing in the car. Arriving at the house, strange enough the back of the house faces the road, and you'll see why in a minute because the view from the front of the house is spectacular. Now this house is on the market for €55,000 and it's on the market with Exclusive Properties, who are kind enough to show us around and also let us film this. But if you had any inquiries about buying an Italian property, these are the ladies to see. I'm showing you all around the outside of the property, and then it's time to have a look at this view. Let's take a look at the house's current layout. On the ground floor we have 3 cellars, each with their own entrance, the front door leading to a hallway and the staircase. The upstairs window is a bathroom, and located at the rear of the house is the kitchen, bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. The plan would be to relocate the kitchen downstairs, making this a 3rd bedroom and knocking through all 3 cellars to create an open plan kitchen, dining and living area. So what I'm led to believe, these trees here, so these trees here on the right, I think belong to him. So it kind of goes down in curves a little bit. So you own all of that.
Yeah, but you'd ask him nicely if he would tend to the trees as well.
Yeah.
This seems
There is a fence line down there, look. On the bottom, so whether that dictates where it goes down there. I know, we'll put a drone up later and find out. Look at the balcony on it.
kitchen going around, and then you get rid of
the kitchen upstairs.
And turn it into 3 regular bedrooms with the bathroom.
Yeah.
Even you could turn one into an ensuite.
Yeah, but you've got that long hallway here. Knock through, so you don't need to leave to get back in.
But you'd have to plaster the whole lot.
So we turned up for our viewing and We were then told that the lovely ladies at Exclusive Properties didn't have the keys for this property. The person that had the keys was currently ill in hospital and they couldn't get hold of it. So whilst we were walking around the outside unable to go inside, they were actually on the phone to somebody to see if we could cut the padlocks off the doors to get inside, as long as we replaced them with new padlocks. So, and eventually they just came back and said yes.
Ah, quello è più corto, è più... Oh, fatto? Sì. Sì.
Glory taker. Glory taker.
Is it wrong that I like the door?
Is it wrong that you like the door?
I like the door.
It needs a new door, I think.
Okay, we can see the cellar also. So you...
Nah.
Ok, vediamo, questo è uguale, so yes, this is the smaller.
Okay. I mean, just another service I can offer these guys.
Okay.
You're the
survey and
you're the muscle.
Camera, drone,
Go on,
bolt
try that one. You
cutter.
have to move that wood out of the way.
non lo so, qua è tosta.
All for the cost of an Aperol Spritz.
Go.
Oh, that one's full of wood.
Look how thin that is.
Yeah.
For knocking through. That's so not.
Kitchen units.
Yeah. So opening just about here.
Nice with electric meter.
This is new.
Probably
Newer,
yes.
which means the old
Yes,
ones.
I thought that one.
Because it's the same, similar style to the balconies.
Questo l'avranno cambiato perché lì c'è quello vecchio. Ah, ok. Andiamo su.
Oh, you have to use, there's no electric here.
No.
No, we can.
Oh yeah.
No, my phone must be in the car.
Ooh, rubbish.
Sorry. Ceiling's really high. Considering what did you say, 15 years? 15 years no heating.
È rotto, rovinato, c'è legato. Guarda, non passa. Ah, no, e vabbè, da solo della luce. Just for the light.
Oh, it's here.
Just for the light, you can enter from the other side.
Alright, okay. Yeah, so eventually turn that back into a bedroom. Yeah, there's some rendering there to be done, but to be honest, take that off, put waterproof render, 2 coats render, 1 coat waterproof sand cement and 1 coat plaster. I'd do that. That's not difficult.
You're like a sofa and it's a big bedroom.
Yeah. It's just on the doors. Are they hollow? No, there isn't one. I was wondering whether it was hardboard over the top of something else.
Love the floor.
Do you? Partition some of it off and put in a ensuite.
The doll creeps me out.
The doll?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. More wood.
You'd have to skin this.
Yeah.
It's that same piece.
That same piece of wood fell off again. Right, so what time is it? It's 1 o'clock? sunshine's moving.
What an adventure we've had this week. The house has so much potential and it's only priced at €55,000. All the links are in the description below. Please subscribe and hit that like button, or even maybe buy us a coffee to show your support on this channel. And that's all we have time for. Oh, and we're making an offer on this one. See you next week.